Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can remove image background for free. If you see it's helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. Search for remove image background. Enter this one. Click it. Upload image. For example, this image. Open. Good. Just download. Free. Name it. Remove it background. Save. Click this one. Double click on it. Let's see it. For example, I remove this one. Let's see. For example, I bring the image to PowerPoint. Insert, Pictures, this device, remove it background. Insert. You see, the background is removed. If I bring original image, insert, image, this device, this one, the origin one, insert. You see how it changed. That's all. Have a nice time.